Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable ads in the start menu in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on personalization. Let's scroll down and go to start. Here you can see show recently opened items in Start, Jump List and File Explorer. You just have to turn off this button. Or you can set here more pins. So this is how you can disable ads in the Start menu in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.